every time you entertain, whether it's 2 people, 4 people, or 20 people, one of the appetizers that I like to make are deviled eggs. They get a really bad rap. I don't know why, but I think it's a sensational appetizer. It's a complete do-ahead, and you know how I love my do-ahead appetizers because I like to spend time at the party, not behind the stove. And this way that I'm gonna show you is new and modern, and you're gonna wanna serve these because they're fantastic, it's new. You need to have some really great appetizers that will keep people talking. I always have 5 or 6 really great appetizers. I serve them warm, and the reason why I serve them warm is that all the flavors are alive, because I like to serve them standing up with a little piece of bacon inside, and I like to candy the bacon so that it's kind of like salty and sweet, and I'm going to show you how to make that right now. We're going to grab the scallions, insert them into the tops to provide beautiful green. And this is a great appetizer for really anything. And Veterans Day, Memorial Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Hanukkah, really anything. And it's a do-ahead, it's a make-ahead, and I love it. Let me know in the comments below how you like to make your deviled eggs, or if you tried these, let me know how they turned out. Back in the 50s and 60s, it was the rage to have these like round trays, and they had these divots where you can cut these in half and place them, so everybody served them. So there's a channel called Yester Kitchen, my friend Jill, in that channel, that is kind of like the historian of everything from everything, yester 80s, yester 70s, yester 60s, 50s, 40s. Is all about cocktails and entertaining. So I encourage you to go to her channel and just check out some of her videos because she's absolutely fantastic. And she would know, explain why back in the day these were so popular.